Looking for powerful tools that boost efficiency and get the job done right? In this video, we're showcasing the 15 coolest Ridgid tools that will make your work easier in 2025. Whether you're a professional contractor, DIY enthusiast, or weekend warrior, these Ridgid power tools and job site solutions are designed to save time, increase productivity, and deliver unbeatable performance. From cordless innovations to precision plumbing tools and heavy-duty job site gear, discover why Ridgid remains a top choice for serious tools that work as hard as you do. Let's dive in. A compact and efficient tool is essential for pressing connections in tight spaces and challenging job sites. The Ridgid micro-pressing tool meets this need with impressive ease and performance. It's the smallest and lightest hydraulic press tool, weighing just 1.3 kilograms and measuring only 33 centimeters. Despite its size, it delivers a 15-kilometer electro-hydraulic force to handle the most pressing tasks. The one-handed operation, aided by a 210-degree swivel head and single-handed jaw opening, ensures quick, efficient work. With its slim grip handle, fast 3-second cycle time, and IP44 protection, this durable, versatile tool is perfect for confined spaces. For plumbing professionals, effective drain cleaning equipment is crucial for tackling tough blockages with speed and precision. The new Ridgid drum machine is a game-changer in this category, offering power and convenience in one package. Designed for 3 to 10-inch drains, it features a powerful brushless DC motor spinning up to 230 revolutions per minute, cutting through stubborn roots and debris with ease. Unlike traditional belt-driven motors, the direct drive design ensures durability and minimal maintenance. Battery power eliminates extension cords, speeding up setup. With a cable counter, quick change drums, auto feed, and Ridgid link integration, this tool simplifies and enhances every drain cleaning task. The new Ridgid FXP power drive sets a new standard in the field, combining power, portability, and smart technology. Its brushless DC motor produces up to 30 threads per charge on 2-inch schedule 40 pipes, making it ideal for tough jobs. Connectivity features integrate seamlessly into existing workflows, boosting productivity. Despite its robust capabilities, the tool remains lightweight and easy to handle, ensuring comfort and control during use. It's a must-have for professionals looking to enhance their threading efficiency on any job site. Efficient plumbing work under the sink is essential for quick repairs and installations, and a versatile tool is key for streamlining these tasks. The Ridgid Easy Change Faucet tool is a must-have multi-purpose under-sink solution for professionals and DIYers alike. This lightweight tool is crafted from high-strength materials with durable metal inserts, making it perfect for faucet removal and installation. The extra-long handle ensures easy access to mounting nuts on faucets and sprayers. The shutoff valve side features a cube-shaped insert to turn angle stops without damaging chrome, and it works with various hex nut sizes. With an open slot to navigate supply lines and a secure strainer basket attachment, this tool offers unmatched convenience and reliability. Efficient and safe cutting of steel pipe is vital for plumbing and construction work, and a dependable solution is crucial for accuracy and safety on the job site. The Ridgid Power Pipe Cutter is a complete threading and cutting solution designed for steel pipes with diameters ranging from 8 to 12 inches. This makes it an excellent choice for large-scale projects both in the field and in the workshop. The hydraulic foot pump simplifies operation and boosts productivity, while its displacement cutting method ensures no abrasive dust, sparks, or flames are generated, making the process cleaner and safer. With its rugged build and reliable performance, the Ridgid Power Pipe Cutter is a must-have for professionals seeking superior results. Effective video inspection of plumbing systems is crucial for identifying problems and maintaining pipes efficiently. The Ridgid Sea-Snake Micro Reel offers a compact and versatile solution for inspecting various pipe sizes and configurations. This ultra-compact video inspection system is designed for main and branch lines, featuring a lightweight build for easy transport and storage. It includes a 100-foot push cable, providing ample reach for standard applications and works with full-sized Sea-Snake monitors or the Ridgid Micro Explorer for flexible use. Designed for lines from 1.5 to 4 inches, it can easily navigate 90-degree turns in 2-inch pipes and larger. Optional accessories, like the Micro Drain Drum Kit, extend its capability for smaller lines. With precision tools such as the Count Plus distance measuring device and an inline transmitter, the micro reel ensures efficient, accurate inspections every time. Safety and efficiency are critical when identifying combustible gases during installations and maintenance. The Ridgid Micro Gas Detector offers a reliable solution for professionals in various industries. Designed to provide quick and accurate gas leak detection, this compact device senses a wide range of gases, including methane, propane, butane, ethanol, ammonia, and hydrogen. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use, while adjustable sensitivity settings make it easy to pinpoint even minor leaks. Equipped with tri-mode detection, it adapts to different environments, ensuring no leaks go unnoticed. The 16-inch flexible probe reaches tight spaces, and the field-replaceable sensor reduces downtime. Enhance safety and efficiency with this essential gas detection tool. Efficient tubing cutting in tight spaces is critical for professionals in plumbing and HVAC. Introducing the Ridgid Model Cutter, a compact and innovative 2-in-1 close quarters cutter that's perfect for confined areas. With a detachable ratchet handle and an auto-feed mechanism, this tool ensures seamless cutting of copper, aluminum, and brass tubing. It adjusts to fit outer diameters from 6 to 28 millimeters, accommodating various pipe sizes. The ergonomic football-shaped knob allows for easy one-time tightening, even in hard-to-reach areas. Plus, it includes a spare cutter wheel conveniently stored in the knob. Versatile and efficient, this tool's ratchet handle also works with the Model 101 tubing cutter, making it a must-have for professionals seeking precision and convenience. Achieving clean, precise cuts on plastic tubing is crucial for plumbing and construction tasks. Introducing the Ridgid P-TEC plastic cutters, an innovative solution for hassle-free cutting of thin-wall plastic tubes up to 2.5 millimeters thick. These cutters streamline your workflow by measuring, cutting, deburring, and beveling in just seconds, ensuring straight, smooth cuts every time. The P-TEC plastic cutter is ideal for 32 and 40 millimeter pipes, while the P-TEC 5000 handles 50 millimeter pipes. With automatic deburring, it eliminates the need for extra tools and produces a smooth cut without the fuzz associated with hacksaws. Requiring only 6 rotations to complete a cut, 4 times faster than traditional methods, this tool saves time and hand strain. It's especially effective on double-flanged 50 millimeter plastic drain pipes. Efficient copper tubing cutting is essential for plumbing tasks. The copper tubing comes in various sizes, which used to mean carrying a different C-style cutter for each size. Not anymore. Ridgid offers 2 C-style copper tubing cutters that replace 3 tools. Together, they cut 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch tubing. One model covers both 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch sizes with an innovative quick change feature for easy switching. The other handles 1 inch tubing. The Ridgid X-Cell Wheel. Pin simplifies cutter wheel replacement. Cutting is easy, just snap the cutter onto the tube and rotate smoothly. Patented slots let you advance the cutter in tight spaces with a flathead screwdriver. Save space with these versatile cutters that combine 3 tools into 2. Accurate hole cutting is vital for plumbing and piping tasks to install fittings and connections efficiently. The Ridgid hole cutting tools, including the HC450 and HC300 models, deliver powerful performance with 1,200-watt motors. The HC450 drills holes up to 4 3/4 inches and can latch onto pipes up to 18 inches, while the HC300 handles holes up to 3 inches in diameter for versatile applications. Both tools are supported by a wide range of hole saws available up to 6 inches. Designed for cutting holes in unpressurized steel pipes, these tools enable the secure installation and ensure dependable pipeline branching. accurate detection and location of buried utilities are critical for safe excavation and construction, preventing damage to essential infrastructure. The Ridgid line transmitter ST3Q+ is designed to induce strong current onto target lines, enabling tracing over longer distances with up to 8 times more current output than standard models. It offers flexible power options, including 6 D-cell batteries or an 18-volt Li-ion rechargeable battery, ensuring reliable operation in the field. For non-direct connections, a signal clamp is available, with low-frequency current induction for improved accuracy and Bluetooth connectivity to the SR24 locator for remote frequency control up to 183 meters. This transmitter is essential for professional utility locating. Maintaining clear drains is crucial to prevent costly plumbing issues. The Ridgid Power Clear Drain Cleaning Machine is a powerful and compact solution designed to clear blockages in tubs, sinks, and showers with pipe diameters from 20 to 40 millimeters. Its lightweight build ensures easy handling in tight spaces like under sinks. Featuring auto-feed technology, it advances and retracts the cable hands-free, keeping your hands clean. The heavy-duty inner core cable offers strength, durability, and kink resistance. A clear cover allows cable monitoring, while a 2-piece guide hose adapts for tight spots and extended reach. An easy-pull drain plug helps drain water quickly, ensuring cable longevity and cleanliness. Quick response to urgent drain cleaning calls is vital for plumbing system reliability. The Ridgid Flex Shaft drain cleaning machine is designed to clear light residential blockages in pipes from 32 to 50 millimeters. Weighing just 8.4 pounds, its compact portable design ensures easy handling. It includes 30 feet of flex shaft cable, protected by a durable nylon sheath to reduce mess and simplify cleanup. Powered by any standard 1,800 to 2,500 RPM cordless drill, it features an ergonomic design for easy use. The chain knocker expands to clean pipe walls thoroughly, while a built-in clutch protects the cable, maximizing uptime. This versatile tool offers multiple storage and drill orientation options, making it ideal for efficient drain clearing. Efficient handling of large-diameter plastic pipes is essential for plumbing professionals during installation and maintenance. The Ridgid Strap Lock pipe handle provides a secure grip for pipes from 3 to 8 inches, allowing confident force application in any direction. Its innovative strap design ensures maximum grip while protecting delicate pipe surfaces from damage. With a 31-inch strap length, it offers a solid hold for easy alignment and setting of glued joints. Quick size adjustment enhances job speed, while its flexible design performs well in cold, wet environments and tight spaces. Usable in pairs for complex tasks, this handle is a must-have for plumbers.